Alright guys, it's me again. Just thought I'd make a quick video. I haven't made one in a few days. And so, it's Friday night, my wife's at work. I'm off tomorrow. It's been a long week. Here at home, drinking a beer. Pick some locks, right? I have this, it's a Stabilit. I know nothing about this lock. I'm not sure where it's from. Look at the keyway. Looks almost like Yale keyway, right? There's the bitting. It's not too bad. Works okay. It's not key retaining. There's no screw to take the core out or anything like that, so no idea. So let's see if we can get it opened on video. I'm going to use bottom of the keyway tension. Let's see if you guys can see here. And I'm going to use a Peterson, one of my favorites. It's a hook diamond or half diamond all the way to the back, and see if we can start setting some pins. Okay. That was too easy. Maybe I didn't lock it right. Maybe I didn't lock it right. Appears to be locked. Appears to be locked. Maybe I just didn't lock it right the first time. All the way to the back. See if we can set some pins. There you go. Maybe I just didn't set it right. Close it right the first time. Not supposed to be that easy. Unless it's a master lock, right? There you go. Okay. Okay, so this was one of the locks out of a pass-along box that I got, Stabilit. I don't know anything about this brand, but if you ever see it, don't buy it. Alright guys, have a good night, man. Thanks for watching, have a good weekend, and I'll see you on the next video.